Okay, Pudgebar here. I am in the process of building a custom computer for my friend. And this is my first time doing a build, hilariously enough, because like I haven't even built my own official build. It's been more like a ghetto thing. So with components, we're starting off with an Intel Core i5 2500K, blah 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 blah, super awesome, yeah. OCZ 600 watt power supply. Where's that? 80 plus bronze. It's cool. Seagate 1 terabyte hard drive, SATA 3 with 7200 spindle speed, and ASUS P8Z68VLE motherboard for awesomeness and overclocking. And we got the Cooler Master 690 giant freaking tower, and an ASUS LED V5248 monitor with 50 million contrast ratio and 1080p full, and it's super awesome. No lag time, which is cool, and a crappy keyboard and mouse. So cool. Okay, so this case is pretty badass. I wish I had this case. Kind of rage. Okay, oh my god. Okay, cool. Awesome. Yo, does anything else come in this box?
No.
And the sticker came off. That is awesome.
This makes the manual, that's instructing manual.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.